fix mobile data on but internet not working? This may be very frustrating when you open your mobile data but your internet connection is not working on your mobile device. Now in order to solve this, first of all go to the settings on your device. You can directly go to the settings by going here, or otherwise you can scroll down. And when you find it, you can search here settings, and this way your settings will be opened in your mobile device. Now after you open the settings on your mobile device, you have to go down and you have to go to the option of connections. And after you go to the option of connections, you have to go to the option of mobile networks. After you tap on the option of mobile networks, just wait for a while. And now go to the option. You have to see whether your SIM1 is connected to the proper connection or not. If it is 4G, you have to go to the option of 4G. Mine is 3G2Z, therefore I have connected it 3G2Z. Again, you can check the another network mode as well. Whether it's 3G, 2G or 4G, just tap on it. Now after that, go to the option of access point names. After you go to the option of access point names, now you have to tap on the three lines there. After you tap on the three lines there, now you have to go to the option of reset to the default. After you tap on reset to default, and after you close this, and after you wait for few seconds, about 40 seconds, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.